Parkour Trail here. Fucking cold as fuck and bare feet in middle of Canada in sometime in October. And yeah, it's cold. Well, anywho, me and Parkour Rian decided to crush the match heads of these, and there's about 250 of these, and we got 3 of them left. We lit like 3, so there's only 6 not in here. Now, we're going to light this on fire. With, hopefully, one of these actually works. Well, are you ready?
Yeah, let's fucking get this done. I'm fucking cold. Wait, I don't see it. Let me get the. Yeah, okay.
You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you know what?
It's a lot of work.
We're pouring this all out. Oh, hey. Cool.
See if I one not lit.
Oh!
Jesus.
Oh, fuck, that's a lot of smoke. Oh, fuck. Oh, hey, that's even still lit.
It's a lot of smoke. You couldn't even see anything on the camera without smoke. It's a freaking flash.
And that's all that this was almost roughly about, what?
Just one fucking match lighting. Fucking 500. Oh man, I'm cold.
If you do the math, it's 243 matches were in there.
What's left is this?
That, and my bare feet say, let me go for the fucking, he can finish the video, Parkour can finish it. Parkour can leave, it's fucking cold.
Alright, so, holy fuck, it's cold out. Last week, I swear to God, it's fucking warm out. It's like Thanksgiving today. It's fucking this cold out. So, that's the end of this video. Like and subscribe. Holy